Hi there, I'm Lisa from Linklittle.com. In this video, you're going to learn step by step how to shorten an URL using Linklittle.com. Shortening an URL with Linklittle is very easy. Let me walk you through the process. Before start shortening URLs on our site, you must have to create an account. It's free and easy. First, go to Linklittle.com and click on Get Started button. You can find the link in the video description below. Then enter a username, your email address, and a password. Enter the password once again to make sure that you enter it correctly. I know you are a legit person, but we care about security seriously, so you have to confirm that you're a human by solving the captcha. Then agree to our terms and conditions. Make sure to read it first. Then click on Create Account. And you're done. After you created your account, you'll be automatically redirected to the login page. Then enter your login information to log into your account. Once you logged into your account, you can start shortening URLs right away. First, enter the long URL you want to shorten into the box. If you want to configure the advanced setting, just click on this gear icon. Then select the domain you want to use. The default domain will be selected automatically, and this step is not necessary. However, if you want to use a different domain, you could select a different domain from the available domain list here. If you want to use a custom alias, you can enter it. If you want to disable the URL after a specific date, you can select the date. If you want to protect the statistics and the access of the URL, simply you can enter a password to make sure that only people with the password can access the URL and statistics. You can use description box to enter a short description for your URL. That will help you to identify your URLs easily. If you want to send visitors to different links according to their country using one short URL, you can use our geo-targeting feature. Simply select the country and enter the URL you want to send a visitor. If you want to target more countries, simply click on Add More Locations and repeat the process. If you want to delete a geo-targeting setup, just hit delete and it will be gone. Also, if you want to target visitors according to visitor's device, you can use our device targeting feature. Simply select the device and enter the URL you want to send a visitor. If you want to add more devices, click on Add More Device and repeat the process. If you want to delete a device targeting setup, just hit delete. After you configure everything correctly, click on the Shorten button. It will take a moment to shorten your URL. Then a pop-up box will open with the shorter URL, and it will give you few options to make things easier. You can copy it easily, you can use the QR code, and also you can easily share your URL on popular social media. Every time when you need to access the statistics of the URL, simply put the plus to the end of URL and visit. Then you will be automatically redirected to the statistics page. That's it. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you inside. Have a great day. Bye for now.